Hello everyone, here's a question. Find the derivative of x to the x. How to solve this question? The common mistake people make about this type of question is try to use this formula. X to the nth power, take a derivative, just n equal n times x to the power n minus 1. That's not right, because here n is a constant, but here n is a variable. So that's why we can now use this formula for this question. Instead, we can do it this way. So here, let's just copy the question. X to the x, take a derivative. Because we don't have any derivative rule for this kind of function, so we have to rewrite it as here. So just take a e to the natural log, then copy the whole function here, x to the x. Then outside take a derivative. So then we just continue here, because based on the logarithmic rule, so the power can move to the front. Okay, so move to the front. So then we can do this way. So e move to the front x times natural log x. So then once we got here, we can tell we have a formula for e to the power something, take a derivative. That's just this one. Okay, we have this formula. E to the x, take a derivative, just e itself. But here, there's a problem. Because here, the power not just x, is more than x. It's more complicated. So that's why here we need to use a chain rule. So then, use chain rule. So what's the chain rule for this case? Chain rule means, first, for the bigger function e to the power, take a derivative. For this case, just itself. So that's why here, just the bigger function e to the power, take a derivative, just itself. Then whatever here, we copy here as is. Then multiply by the inside function. Okay, so take a multiply by the derivative of the inside function. Okay, but before we continue, so let's take a look. What's this one? E to the power x times natural log x. This one, that one, exactly the same. Then this one is coming from here. So this one coming from here. So what that means? So that means this part just x to the x. So that's why we use x to the x, replace this one back. So then we have here. So we have this part, x to the x. Okay, now we can work on this one. So what's here? So this one is like a x times natural log x, then take a derivative. So then this time we need to use the product rule. So that is x times g, take a derivative. It's really easy to remember. You just put x times g plus f times g. So then this one, okay, this one take a derivative. So then here g take a derivative. That's the product rule. Okay, so then here, just the first one take a derivative, then x take a derivative, just 1. Then copy natural log x. Then copy the first function here. Then natural log x take a derivative, that's just 1 over x. So let's clean up. Okay, so here then just x to the power x. So here just natural log x. So here we have x on top and x on the bottom, they canceled. So here just plus 1. So that is the answer for this derivative. If you have different ways to solve this question, please share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.